Alright guys, I got a pair of no name, but I believe these might be channel locks. I think when I started it said I could see a little channel lock on there, but I think it was the, I don't know. I think it might have been just printed on there, but these are locked up. Man, these things they are frozen. There's no movement to these at all. Oh, tell you what, let me move these to the vise and we'll manhandle them a little bit. All right, these are a pair of those pliers that were in. They were in that pawn shop buy, and then I put them in the rust remover. Oh, and then I I cleaned them off. Now trying to open them up. I don't know if I can. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Boy, these things are frozen. Wait a second. Wait a second. No. Hang on. Let me get a pick here real quick. No, I thought maybe there was a weld spot in there, but it's not. Holy smokes, how am I going to get these things loose? Oh. I don't know if it's worth it. Don't know if it's worth it, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, little movement. See if I can get a little more WD down in there. These must have been in the water somewhere. Man. Yeah, I know, I'm not using my vise properly, but it's my vise. Probably could use some heat on this, but I don't want to melt the handles off. Is it worth it? Probably not. You can see some red rust in there. Well, now that I got them opened up, I'm just going to let them soak with some penetrating oil in it and see if that'll do any good. I hate to throw a good pair of pliers away. Well, let's see what happens. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these are the ones that were stuck shut, frozen. They're not anymore. So, all I'm going to do to these, clean them up a little bit and put them on the wire wheel, and then call it good. Hang on, unplug I unplugged my Dremel. Got to plug it back in. These actually are really nice shape. Teeth-wise, let's put it that way. Compared to the other ones. Let's fire this one up for a second. Might have to put a new wheel on this one, I think. All right, let's see what they look like on the wire wheel now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, present you a nice little pair. I believe they're 6-inch. Yeah, 6.5. Little lineman pliers that were froze, non-usable, and look at there. They work. Teeth are not beat up. The cutter's not damaged on this one. And nothing really wrong with it. It's just no name. You know, somebody, I'm sure, left it in a toolbox somewhere or in the water, or maybe a fishing tackle box, who knows. I'm still getting trash out of it every once in a while. Not near like I was before. Boy, it was bad before. But little drop of oil in there, and yeah, there you can see still see some of the rusty trash coming out. It's not as bad. Boy, before it was red rust really bad. But that's all I'm going to do to them. I'm not going to polish, clean them up. I'm not keeping these. Probably going to give this away to a friend of mine anyways. I'm making a toolbox for him, and be a good used tool. He'll appreciate it. He appreciates anything I give him. So not a bad little pair of pliers for, I got like 80 cents in it, I think. And yeah, I soaked them overnight with WD because I tried to break them loose when I first got them, boy, the other day, and that was tough. And now they, you know, they work so easily, easily. How about that? Anyways, I think what I'm going to do is put all these pliers and everything I bought from that Honest Harry's pawn shop and just make a little video, like a little series out of it, and just to show people what you can buy for 10 bucks and what it gets you. And yeah, it's not brand new tools, but it's good usable stuff that, you know, a tool like this is not something you use every day. linesman pliers. There's very few, except for an electrician and some guys that do automotive wiring, and there's not many of them that do that anymore. But you know, you don't use it every day. This is something when you need it, it's handy to have, but right now, it's a good pliers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tell me what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Give me a subscription if you would. If not, well, thanks for watching the video anyways. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Thank you.